Dude, it's just
Oh, dude.
was gonna put glass packs in, but they didn't fit, so now it's almost like a straight pipe with a resonator. But he still has the cats in though, and he got flat blacked everything.
Oh, I can feel it from back here.
That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Actually, the idle isn't bad at all.
It sounds way better.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. No, yeah. That's gonna be loud. Oh, dude, that's.
Would you like to hear it from the outside, my dude?
Oh no.
You got verbals.
Awesome.
Oh, man. Oh yeah.
Oh my. Oh my.
Oh yeah. Dude, and it's mellow.
Dude. Yeah.
It's mellow until you give it RPM and that's loud as shit.
Oh my.
This is the greatest thing ever.
Dude, dude, I think this is louder than CJ's tone
Dude,
wave, bro.
it's so bad.
Oh my god.
Holy shit. Oh fuck.
Oh my Jesus, dude.
Oh, I love it so much. Oh, she's grumbly now. It's so good. Fuck, that was worth every penny. Dude, and he painted it too. I didn't even ask him to do that. That's fucking sick. So it's all black and it's super like stealth.
Yeah, dude, oh my god, this thing is loud. Alright. Oh, what? Dude.
It like mellows out.
Oh my god, dude, it is so loud. Oh, dude.
Oh my. Did you hear it like grumble when I did?
Yeah, I heard it. Holy fuck.
Is it really that loud?
It's loud as shit, man. It's fucking loud.
We gotta go get some outside shots then.
Yeah.
Dude, that's...
It's mellow sitting though.
You know how much louder this is from Pierce and CJ's car? Dude, it's crazy.
Yeah.
Is it really?
It's pretty fucking loud, dude.
It didn't seem that loud when you revved it up.
I didn't have it picked.
He didn't, yeah, he didn't.
I sent it up to like 3 or 4.
It's cause it's a smaller motor and it's a twin cam. So once I get RPM, that's where it really like,
It loves life.
yeah, it's only happy.
I'll probably flip a U-turn up here at the next light.
Why?